A very good morning, children. So we have done the back exercises of this chapter, respiration and organisms. Now I'll be asking you, giving you certain questions, and we'll be discussing the answers, because answers you are going to write it on your own. I will just help you because you are in class 7th and you should be knowing it, what has to be done, ठीक है, or how to write an answer. So let us move. जैसे जैसे क्वेश्चन आते जाएंगे मैं आपको बताती जाऊंगी. Define respiration. You please be ready with your books, and whenever I ask you to write a question, you should write it, right? So is everyone ready? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the fine. In the book you have already done the differentiation between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So I am not going to do it again. But yes, you should know what is respiration. You should be able to define that. Is that clear? Now let us move. See, these are the very small questions. Like one question is here that whether the yeast is a single cell organism or multicellular. So it is a single cell organism and it is used to process yield alcohol. It is also used for making wine and beer. That is why. ठीक है? Then lactic acid question आप कर चुके हैं, ठीक है? And then define inhalation and exhalation. ये एक बड़ा क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, तो you can always write the question that define inhalation and or explain inhalation and exhalation in the humans and also draw the diagram. ठीक है? So write the question. Explain inhalation and exhalation along with the help of diagram. तो ठीक है, आप inhalation लिखोगे, आप exhalation लिखोगे और आप डायग्राम कौन सा बनाओगे? मैं बता रही हूँ, आप ये वाला डायग्राम बनाओगे, है ना? This is inhalation, this is exhalation, and what heading you will be giving? Mechanism of breathing in human beings. Is that clear? हम इसको क्वेश्चन को ऐसे भी दे सकते हैं कि describe inhalation and exhalation with the help of diagram. आप ये करोगे. हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि with the help of diagram explain the mechanism of breathing in human beings. So this question can be asked for 4-5 marks like this. Please write it down. This diagram you have to make. ठीक है? उसके बाद एक क्वेश्चन आपका ये आएगा. Only the question will be, diagram will be there. Are you writing it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Because I'll be needing these questions. I am not writing it anywhere. ठीक है? So your next question would be, okay. Your next question is, draw a well-labeled diagram. Draw a well-labeled diagram of human respiratory system. ठीक है? The question is, draw a well-labeled diagram of human respiratory system. You just have to draw the diagram. I am telling you again and again that you should practice the diagram with the correct labeling, because if you have understood it, the whole theory is also done. ठीक है? Like the theory says that wind enters through the nasal passage or oral cavity, comes into the windpipe, pharynx, then trachea, then it gets divided into many branches, bronchioles and all. आपके पास class 7th में नहीं है. It reaches into the lungs. Lungs are protected by the rib cage, and at the bottom there is a diaphragm, a membrane that makes the roof or the base, whatever you say, of this respiratory system. ठीक है? So your question is only to draw a well labeled diagram of human respiratory system. Children, whenever you draw a diagram, it is mandatory to give it a heading. ठीक है? Okay. Sneezing also we have done. Then a very small question, and that question is, what do you mean by कहाँ गई breathing rate, है ना? Inhalation था, या breathing rate, ठीक है? तो define breathing rate. So how many times a person breathes or inhales and exhales in a minute makes its breathing rate. Very small question, but आपको define breathing rate. That is the question. Please write define breathing rate. ठीक है? चलिए. Next is this. You should be knowing small questions, MCQs, fill in the blanks. They are formed here, and this is this is like how many, what is the average breathing rate, and if a person is exercising, what would be his breathing rate, right? Okay. Next
But
is,
you have to also write these questions.
no, I am just
MCQs?
no, I am just telling you that आपको लिखना नहीं है, but while reading the whole chapter, you should be reading these questions also. ठीक है? Next question होगा हमारे पास. These, so you can find it through the internet. What is the amount of air a person can hold. This experiment, suppose if it comes, that model to show the mechanism of breathing. I am not asking you to write it into your book, but while reading the chapter, don't miss this. If it is asked that how will you create a model to show the mechanism of breathing, तो ये inhalation है, ये exhalation है. आप बहुत easy experiment है, पढ़ लीजिएगा. I am not asking you to write it, है ना? Now comes the एक और है कि show an experiment to prove that the exhaled air is rich in carbon dioxide. ठीक है? तो ये हम लोग एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे अपने लैब मैनुअल में, ठीक है? बट आप यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन नोट कर लीजिए दैट हाउ विल यू प्रूव, लिखो, राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. हाउ विल यू प्रूव दैट, पूछो, आस्क.
Ma'am, this is question number 5.
Beta, I am not noting down the question number, that you must be noting it, but we'll discuss it on WhatsApp group when I'll be teaching you. Somebody might be noting it very diligently, sincerely. So the question is,
Ma'am,
yeah, yes,
ma'am, repeat the question.
Yeah,
Ma'am, repeat the question.
I am repeating. ठीक है? चलो, the question is, how will you prove that the exhaled air is rich? How will you prove that the exhaled air is rich in carbon dioxide? Have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. How will you prove that exhaled air is rich in कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड? तो आपको करना क्या है, देखिए मैं आपको बता दे रही हूँ, आपको आंसर इधर ही मिल जाएगा. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग इट टू यू दैट हाउ विल यू डू इट और वेयर विल यू फाइंड इट, बिकॉज बहुत सारे बच्चे जो हैं वो परेशान हो जाएंगे कि कहाँ से आंसर मिलेगा, है ना. तो इट इज गिवन हियर समवेयर. अदरवाइज आपने लाइम वाटर लेना है, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड होगा, कहीं पढ़ लो, नहीं तो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ, आप लिख सकते हैं इसको. ठीक है. See what have you done? You have taken lime water, calcium hydroxide solution, and with the help of a straw you will breathe out into it, है ना. You will blow air into it. Your air, exhaled air, is rich in carbon dioxide. It will react with lime water, and lime water will turn milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. उसमें आपको जाना नहीं है, क्योंकि lime water becomes milky. That is a test of carbon dioxide that the exhaled air is rich in carbon dioxide. ठीक है. तो ये आपका एक्सपेरिमेंट हो गया. आप ये ड्रॉ कर दीजिएगा और स्टेप वाइज लिख दीजिएगा कि वील टेक अ ट्यूब एंड टेस्ट ट्यूब, वील पुट लाइम वाटर इनटू इट, ट्रांसपेरेंट होगा. विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ सेकेंड पॉइंट, with the help of a straw we will blow air into it, and third point, the lime water turns milky. Fourth, this proves that the exhaled air is rich in carbon dioxide. ठीक है. Next is explain respiration in cockroaches and fish. तो लेट अस डू दी कॉकरोच फर्स्ट. आपने यहाँ से लिखना है कि देखिए यहाँ पर है cockroach, it is given here. A cockroach has small openings on the sides of its body, and वो next line छोड़ दीजिएगा. Then these openings are called spiracles. Insects have a network of air tubes called trachea for gaseous exchange. Oxygen-rich air rushes through spiracles into the tracheal tubes, diffuses into the body tissue, and reaches every cell of the body. Similarly, carbon dioxide from the cell goes into the tracheal tube and moves out through the spiracles. ठीक है. And you have to draw this diagram. ठीक है. अर्थवर्म में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, इसलिए मैं नहीं लिखवा रही हूँ, बट आप अंडरलाइन कर लीजिएगा कि दे ब्रीथ थ्रू देयर स्किन्स. ठीक है. दैट इज ऑल. उससे ज्यादा जानने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको. या ब्रीदिंग अंडर वाटर, you will draw this diagram and you will write it from here. See, I am helping you till there. Gills in fish help them to use oxygen dissolved in water. Gills are projections of skin. ये लाइन छोड़ दीजिए. Gills are well supplied with the blood vessels for the exchange of gases. That's it. बहुत छोटा आंसर है ये, and you will draw this diagram. So this will complete the whole answer. Plants also respire. आप पढ़ लीजिएगा ये, इतना जरूरी नहीं कि हम हर चीज लिखें. You have to read the chapter. But yeah, this question is interesting. That Paheli wants to know whether roots which are underground also take in oxygen. If so, how? तो उसका ही आंसर ये है कि there is air space between the soil particles and roots breathe through them, because roots also need energy, because roots are working, roots have to absorb water and minerals, and that is why they breathe, because they need oxygen to break the glucose to acquire energy, because they have to do the function of absorption of water and minerals. तो ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट आप when you will read it you will come to know. बाकी और जो एरियल पार्ट है उसमें लीव्स में स्टोमेटा है ना, तो वो अपना गैसेस एक्सचेंज कर ही रहा है. So children, with this we finish off very important chapter, and because just a minute, let me finish it. And because this is associated to our life, daily life, we are alive only because we are breathing, we are respiring. So it took lot of time, it has lot of question, but then these questions are very important, right? So please do all these extra questions. You have this video with you, you can watch it again and again to get the answers. That will help. Otherwise I am always there to help you, right? So that is all. Happy breathing, happy respiration, happy life. We are lucky, we are alive. Thank you very much.